you feel that $6 is not too small for you for a side gig, then you will want to watch this video from beginning to the end. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some funds from this particular website. My videos are for entertainment. I am not promising you that you're going to make millions from this particular video or side gigs, but you're going to definitely earn something from it and withdraw to your balance. So go ahead and watch this video. All right. So when you click on the app, you're going to be asked for you to sign up with your email. So this is where I am right now. I'm just going to use my email to sign up. So immediately I sign up, it's going to take me to the platform. Now, what they do, they have an AI that you are training. You just ask the AI questions and you get paid in cents. All right. This is a new account created for the sake of this tutorial. So let's go on. Let's see how you can answer these questions. Now, as you can see here, this is the referral link. You can refer and start earning 20% from level 1 and 10% from level 2 referrals. All right. Now, my balance is currently on $0. All right. Let's see how we're going to ask the question. So you have questions there to generate. Is it that you generate manually or you click on the AI button? It's going to automatically generate questions for the AI. Now, when you generate the questions, it takes and tells you, thank you for generating the questions. So let's go ahead and select one of the topic we want to generate questions for. I selected business. So it's going to bring series of questions. So is it that you just click on generate or you want to manually add the questions? But let's go and hit on generate, right? Does your professional personnel determine who you date? You generate the question. It's going to generate. Let's give it some time. All right. Now, I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in my description section. So go ahead there and check and join my community so that you can sign up. So now I just did it and it told me verification pass. That is the first stage. In fact, that is all you need to do. All right. And already it has started getting paid. It has started paying me, but it's not going to reflect now. Not until you've done this like 4 times. I think when you do it for 4 times, it's definitely going to show you some dollars there. That is about 30 cents or so, 0.30 cents. That is for 4 times. All right. So you keep on doing this over and over, you're going to definitely earn this right now. All right. With time, like I said, I am not promising you huge amount of money, but trust me, you are going to earn something that you can add up and possibly you can withdraw it. All right. So let's go on and try and generate again. So it tells you that you can only generate one of these questions once in some hours. All right. So let's find out how many hours it can take you for you to be able to generate this kind of question. All right. Like I said, these are side gigs you can come back and do over and over when you just have your free chance. So you can see, right, you can only generate one questions per day. Please try again in the next 5 hours. So in 5 hours time, you can always come back here. So I think this is also preferred compared to some gigs that enables you to work once in a day, or probably like you're mining once in a day. But this can allow you to mine from your first day like 3 times in your first day, and then from the second day I think it's up to like 10 hours or so. But trust me guys, if you keep these tasks going on over and over, you will definitely make some bucks out of it. All right. So I just show you how you can make money, how you can earn by just answering questions, by just asking AI questions. All right. So let's check how you can place to withdraw. What process can you withdraw with? All right. So we have Stripe and we have PayPal. So I'm going to click on this PayPal and definitely connect my PayPal. That is what I'm going to do. So if you have a PayPal account, go ahead and connect it, and then when it's time for you to withdraw, that is where your fund is going to. All right guys, thanks for staying to the end of this video. I hope you're going to try this out, and for sure in my community section I'm going to be feeding you guys with the result of how it went. Go ahead and try it if you are interested. If you are not interested, just watch it as an entertainment. All right guys, keep on watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because we have more opportunities coming your way. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye bye.